Picture this. You walk into a salon. You show your hairstylist a picture of the hairstyle that you want, but when the haircut is over, you look in the mirror and it looks nothing like you thought it would be. You give a fake smile, say it looks great, and run out of the salon. When it comes to ranking things on the scale of what makes a woman look her best and feel good, it's all about finding the right hairstyle. Finding your perfect hairstyle involves considering several factors, including your face shape, facial features, hair type, lifestyle, and personal style. So it's important that next time you make a trip to the salon, to do a little research on what will suit your face shape and features, versus simply showing your hairstylist a picture of the style you think that you want. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose the best hairstyle for you. Number 1, determine your face shape. Oval. Most styles work well. Try layers, waves, or bob. Round. Add height and volume. Opt for layered cuts or side-swept bangs. Square. Soften angles with soft layers. Waves or side parts. Heart-shaped. Balance with chin-length styles or side bangs. Diamond. Try layered cuts that add volume at the chin. Number 2, consider the shape of your features. If you have a big nose, opt for a hairstyle with medium-length layers, a side part, and soft waves that frame the face without drawing too much attention to the nose. Avoid very short cuts that can highlight the facial features, and you could consider adding side bangs for further balance. If you were born with a short, dainty button nose, then you may want to consider getting your hair cut with some extra texture. This may be in the form of more waves and curls in a shorter cut, like a pixie or a bob. This will allow your nose the space to shine from all angles in all of its glory. If you have a small forehead, then hairstyles that can flatter your small forehead include bobs, pixie cuts, and pompadours. Bangs can also work well for small foreheads, especially if they are long and face-framing. If you have a big forehead, try bangs like side-swept, wispy bangs, or even blunt bangs. You could also try layered hairstyles like long layers and face-framing layers. Number 3, consider your hair type. For fine hair, shorter cuts with layers for volume, like pixie or blunt bobs. Thick hair calls for long layers or structured cuts to reduce bulk. For curly hair, styles that enhance natural curls, such as long layers. And blunt cuts or sleek styles like a classic bob look good if you have straight hair. Number 4, match your lifestyle. If you have a busy schedule, choose low-maintenance cuts. For active lifestyles, opt for ponytail-friendly styles. If you enjoy styling, try layers or bangs for versatility. Number 5, look for inspiration. We live in an incredible age where you can try out different hairstyles with technology like utilizing virtual hairstyle apps to visualize different looks. A good app to try is the Face app, where you can try out various different hairstyles. Browse social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok for hairstyle ideas. Number 6, think about maintenance. Shorter styles may need frequent trims. Longer styles might require more care with conditioning and styling. And number 7, experiment with temporary changes. Try clip-in extensions, wigs, or hairpieces before committing to a new cut. Use styling tools to mimic potential styles. By considering these aspects, you'll find a hairstyle that complements your features and suits your lifestyle.